Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wealthy Coin. After seeing this movie, you'll never sell your Shib tokens again. News about Shiba Inu today. The price of the famous meme token Shiba Inu went up an amazing 45 million% last year, making it likely one of the most watched cryptocurrencies in the world. Shiba has slipped up since then, though. It's lost 70% so far this year, and investors aren't sure if it can get back on track. Inu today is going to offer more than it did when it was at the top of its game. The coin is moving into the metaverse and working on a way to scale at the layer 2 level. This video will teach you something that will make you never sell your Shib tokens again. News about Shiba Inu today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to see our newest videos about expert analysis and Shiba Inu price estimates. Let's start the video right away. Shiba Inu's white paper says that it was made as an attempt in decentralized community building, and it's done that so far. There is a group of people on social media who are really behind the coin. They're called the Shib Army, and they have really helped it grow. This thing works on the Ethereum system. There are a few places you can buy Shiba Inu, stake your tokens to earn idle income, or use them to pay for things. In the near future, Shiba Inu will be a better cryptocurrency than it was now. Chiarian is the name of the layer 2 scaling approach that it is working on. The start date for layer 2 hasn't been set yet, but once it does, it should speed up transactions and lower costs. That's great for people. Shiba Inu has been working on a metaverse as well. There are pieces of land for sale here with the plan to build a whole virtual city on them. More than 100,000 lots will be for sale at some point by Shiba Inu. In the first part, about 32,000 plots have been made available so far. Shiba Inu will be a bigger player than it was in 2021, when it made huge gains, once Chiarian and the Metaverse project are fully up and running. But these projects don't make Shiba Inu stand out. This cryptocurrency doesn't seem to have a reason to go through the roof. The 549 trillion Shiba Inu coins that are already in use are an even bigger problem. Shiba Inu's market value would go through the roof if it rose from a fraction of a cent to $1. Its market cap would hit $549 trillion. That's more than the whole crypto market and big, trustworthy companies like Apple. This problem can't be fixed by Shiba Inu's burn attempts alone. Many experts have tried to explain this huge growth and the Shiba Inu's rise to fame, but no one has come to a clear conclusion. Some people think that the blockchain technology behind Shiba Inu worked better than those of its competitors, making transactions safer and faster. Some people think it was all the buzz around meme coins at the time, but no one can say for sure why this cryptocurrency became so popular. All we know is that Shiba Inu made waves during its short but amazing life, and its impact will last long after it dies. In 2022, Shiba Inu has been marked by steady drops in price, which is similar to how the market for digital assets has been moving in general. They still thought the token would end the year on a high note, even though there were no short-term signs of a possible bullish course. The Shib community on CoinMarketCap thinks that the token will be worth an average of 11 cents by December 31, 2022. This is a 17.53% increase from the price of the asset when this article was written. Finbold got the data on November 12, and the estimates are based on votes from 2924 members who used the price estimate tool. Notably, the bet by community members matches the growing number of Shib holders, which shows that buyers still think the token will go up in value and maybe even reach its 2021 highs again. In this line, the number of Shib holders has been steadily rising. As of November 11, there were 1,243,497 users. In the last 3 months, there has been a growth of 3%, or 37,225 buyers. At a time when the decentralized finance token is being hurt by the FTX crypto exchange supply crunch, the Shib technical analysis stays bearish. Based on a review of the technical indicators, the stock will sell at $14. The moving averages point to a strong sell at $13, and the oscillators on the daily charts are neutral at $9. At the same time, Shib has continued to lose value, now selling at 96 cents, down over 23% in the last week. It has gained less than 1% value. It is important to note that Shib recently felt better after Elon Musk bought the huge social media site Twitter. Notably, Musk's purchase of Twitter sparked the creation of dark-themed coins such as Shib and Dogecoin for a short time. Shib seems to still be popular with buyers. In this case, it turned out that Shib makes up about 20% of the $2.9 billion worth of assets that Crypto.com holds in its funds. Notably, The platform released the data at a time when crypto companies were under more pressure to show proof of reserves due to FTX liquidity crisis. For Shib to make good gains, the price path of cryptocurrencies in general will have a big impact on its future. Even though the crypto market is in a mess, wealthy Shiba Inu buyers are moving hundreds of billions of tokens. Shiba Inu burn project Shiba Play says that crypto whales moved $877 billion Shib tokens worth $7.8 million in a series of trades. They say this based on data from the Ethereum analytics platform Etherscan. On November 2, when the 14th biggest cryptocurrency by market cap was trading at a high of 13 cents, the first transfer of $202,438,224,930 Shib took place. The second deal was a move of $190 billion Shib to crypto exchange Crypto.com on November 6th. This was also the day that the digital asset hit its all-time high of 13 cents. The third and biggest deal happened on November 7th, when Shib was trading hands at an all-time high of 12 cents. It was started by wallets from the cryptocurrency exchange Binance. The whale put $485,794,498,147 worth of tokens in one of its wallets. Since then, Shiba Inu has fallen along with the rest of the crypto markets. The price of Shib has dropped by 12.73% in the last 24 hours. It is now worth 10 cents. A lot of the market drop has happened at the same time that crypto exchange FTX was having problems. FTX and Binance are in the process of making a deal for Binance to buy FTX.com. Due to news of liquidity problems at FTX, the FTT token has lost more than 68% of its all-time high. The native token of the exchange is now selling for $4.79, which is 93% less than its all-time high. Developers released a number of new tokens along with the Shiba Swap decentralized exchange, the Shiboshi non-fungible tokens, and the planned Chiarian Layer 2 blockchain. The Bone Shiba Swap token is one of them. The price of Bone went up in August after many exchanges added the governance coin. It went down 14% in the last month, but it has since gone back up. The developers of Shiba Inu started the Shiba Swap decentralized exchange in July 2021 so that users, who are called the Shib Army, could sell their Shib tokens for other cryptocurrencies. It is now live as of October 31, 2022. The Shiba Swap DEX split off from the Sushi Swap DEX and has its own fees, incentives, and local tokens. The Ethereum blockchain is used by both Sushi Swap and Shiba Swap, and their coins are based on the ERC20 standard. Bone was created as Shiba Swap's governance token. It lets users decide on ideas for the project's future growth, such as which pairs will be added to Shiba Swap by the Doggy Decentralized Autonomous Organization. The user's vote has more of an effect on the result the more Bone tokens they have. The most Bone Shiba Swap tokens that will ever be made will be given to users who make trade pairs on Shiba Swap more liquid. There are a total of 229.9 million Bone pieces available, but only 6.97 million are in use right now. CoinMarketCap data shows that the 250 million maximum quantity was made to fit between the 500 trillion SHIB tokens that are already in circulation and the much smaller number of leash tokens that are already in circulation. Doge Killer started out as a